Alright guys, welcome back. I have a quick little tutorial on the Sentro machine for you today. So I've got my Sentro, I've got my knitted piece, and I want to show you how to decrease the stitches. In my opinion, the easiest way to decrease the stitches, and to make sure how they don't get lost so that you don't end up with a hole in your project. Okay, so I'm coming up to the end of my row here, so, you know, chugging along, and then I don't want this one at number 35 to be there anymore. Okay, so I want 34 to be my last one. So as I come up, I want to go to where number 35, that last one, is raised, and it's released the yarn from under the pin. Okay, so right there. Do you see how that yarn is like loose now? So here's what I'm going to do here. I'll zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, so I'm going to go underneath this bar, and I'm going to let loose the yarn. And I'm just using, you can use a loom pick, but I am just using a 2mm crochet hook. It's nice and small, and I just don't have a loom pick. So I'm going to grab the yarn off of my last pin, and I'm going to hook it on to the previous pin here. You can use your hand to help you a little bit, or you can just use the hook. Okay, so I've looped it over. Now gonna tug on it to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, perfect. So number 35 no longer has any yarn on it, which is exactly what we want. And then I'm gonna keep going in that direction a little bit more until this working yarn has fallen underneath this bar here. Okay, so moving along, keeping an eye on that bar there. Perfect, right there. That's exactly what we want. Okay, so now that it's down there, I'm gonna hold on to this tail here and work backwards. I'll zoom out for you once again. Perfect. Now you're good to keep going. The yarn has gone under, and voila, that's it.